Okay, this is a generic Pheonix elevator in the Constantinople House in 6 Albion Street, Napier. This was installed in 2014, and it is a Pheonix elevator. Yeah, I bet the outside used to be DMG, but then they replaced it with Dewhurst. But yeah, it still has DMG on the inside, that's good. Because DMG is interesting. And yeah, they call the main floor, floor L. And this lift. Here is the lift, and it has 90 degree doors. So let's go to 3. Yeah, this is not a good elevator. Look at the indicator. Yeah, this is it's generic. You have to get used to it. At least it's MRL, that's good. Yeah, look at that cheap indicator. 3.
3rd floor.
Are you going to walk down or what?
No.
Opening doors.
Okay.
See, and the door opens here, and
Do you want me to hold it?
yeah, basically is that type of indicator. Let's go down to lobby. Yeah, this lift has DMG fixtures.
Okay.
Yeah, at least all of them.
Ground floor.
It says ground floor, and they call it L for lobby.
Opening doors.
Oh wait, actually, now, I want to point this out on camera. This lift actually goes down to a car park, except the lift doesn't stop here. What a fail. And yeah, the lift will probably go for a while, so that is it.